Hello dear friends, here we are again with a wood chipper today, which we're going to use to chip some wood so we can use it over the gardens for some mulch and in between the pathways of the vegetable beds. Basically, wood chips are just an all-round good thing to have at your disposal. So that's all we're going to do today. Thanks very much for your support. Please subscribe and let's chip some wood. The stuff that's down there, we're going to chip straight onto that silage tarp there. And once that is all clear, then we're going to mark out, this will be another day, we're going to mark out for a wall along here, which we're going to build out of these stones. Okay, so I've angled this exhaust chute to the side, which it looks like is okay to do because it has these little clips. So with a bit of luck, it's going to fire out of there and make a beautiful pile of wood chips. Let's see. Okay, so the sun's going down. The sun's gone down, I think. God, I'm so tired. Well, today was a really good day. The garden is kind of looking, it looks like something now. I don't know. Hard to describe, but it feels like something, I guess. Yeah, I wasn't even recording.
No.
What was I saying? So, thanks very much for watching. Tomorrow we are going to get a lot of wood. Tomorrow we're going to pick up the rest of the wood to clad the gatehouse and get on with cladding the gatehouse, I guess. Yeah, well, thanks for watching and supporting this channel. Look after each other, please subscribe, lots of love, and I'll see you tomorrow. Goodbye.